Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of my staff from the office, and in the presence of the Turan Kasiliu, I want to thank you for the very warm welcome you've given us this morning. Children, I want to give you a quick message this morning on the story of Christmas. We all know, we are well familiar with the story of Christmas, the story of the birth of Jesus Christ, born humbly in a manger to parents of meager means. The story of a boy who became a symbol of peace, of compassion and forgiveness around the world. But we are here, and I'm here today to tell you of another Christmas story, a story that started right here. Earlier this month, I had the pleasure of bringing 1,000 small grants to Nosori to help spur the local economy and invest in the potential of our local small businesses. A lot of people didn't know, but in that particular session, I gave away over $1 million worth of $1,000 grants. But at this handover ceremony, we were blessed with a wonderful performance of our national anthem by children from the Methodist Dilkusha Home. And after the event, I was lucky enough to meet with many of these children, many of you who hear their voices and learn about the challenges you face on a daily basis. And as you know, during my conversation with you, I asked what you wanted most for Christmas. And one of the girls, Achana Reddy, told me your home was in dire need of a new minibus to get the children where you needed to go. She taught me a few things. She didn't ask for any new clothes or any toys for the rest of you. Instead, she asked for something to improve not only her life, but the lives of those around her. Something every child at the Dilkusha Home could use. And that, children and ladies and gentlemen, is the true spirit of Christmas. Achana demonstrated real compassion and concern for her fellow children, and that should be an inspiration for all of us. And so that very day, as you've witnessed, I promised you all that I would give you a new bus. So I'm here today with my staff, honoring that promise, and I'm handing over a new 26-seater minibus to the Dilkusha Girls Home in the presence of the Turan Kasiliu, that will save time and money for the children during their travels throughout Nosori and the region. This bus is worth $129,000. Will replace the old bus that was no longer functioning. While I get to be the one to deliver this bus this Christmas Eve, I again ask you to follow the example of, ask the people of Fiji to follow the example of Vachna Reddy, who first and foremost thank God for this gift. During this Christmas time, please remember to be thankful for the blessings we have all received. While we human beings are oftentimes the instruments of God's grace, it is our Lord Jesus who is the true provider and the most deserving of our gratitude. Ladies and gentlemen, I've said before, my favorite part of my job is being able to go all around the country and see the smiling, hopeful faces of our young people. And today is no exception. I have heard from the children here firsthand how important this gift will be, and it is an honor to be able to present it to you today. I want this day to serve as an example of what we as Fijians can do to uplift and provide for those who are less fortunate than ourselves. These children have not had the many advantages in life that we often associate with a happy childhood. In fact, every one of them has overcome hardship and fought very hard to be where they are today. They are growing and learning despite their circumstances. And I have no doubt that they will achieve great things in their lives. I think they should be an inspiration to every Fijian. And they are not alone in their struggle. There are children all around Fiji who need our help. As Turana Gasilevo has said, children who deserve every bit of happiness we can afford to give this holiday season and beyond. I hope that all throughout Fiji we can find in our hearts to make sure that every child has something waiting for them this Christmas that makes them feel special and remembered. It doesn't have to be big as a bus to make a difference in a child's life. Sometimes it is the simplest gifts that can have the most profound impacts, as it is the act of giving that is most important. So this morning, children and members of Dilkusha Home, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I give you this bus as a Christmas present. Thank you. Naka.